Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make a question and answer session with any of the PDF files that you have. And today the PDF file that we'll be using is the budget 2025 India. And see what's the budget for startups. You can see here the fund for startups almost 91,000 crores and 10,000 crore to expand the scope and support for startups, scheme for first time entrepreneurs, investment, research, and innovation. And that's it of India. So it's really simple process. Just click on with me. Now we got to get the trigger and the PDF file is in Drive. So we'll be adding Drive. Now, yeah, Google Drive. Just because we want to download the file, we have to click download file. If you don't have any credentials with Google accounts, I've already made a separate video for that. I'll just link it somewhat here. And if you don't have the credential, you have to get a new credential. Now the resources file and the operation is download. Yeah, from the file in budget options. Yeah, this the step. Yeah, we got it. We just have to be able to make sure this is the PDF file that we want. Yeah. Yes. So what we are doing in this workflow, we are going to push the data to the vector store to get the data retrieved, so that we'll be having question and answer section with it. It will be giving the answer respective to the question. So let's type pushing the data, and we're going to add the vector store. Pinecone vector store. Since because we want to add the document because we're just pushing the data, and it will be adding the document. The credentials to connect with Pinecone account. So in case if you don't know what a Pinecone account is, I'll just show you. This is the Pinecone console. In case if you don't have any credential uploaded in it, then you just have to go to API keys here and you have to create a new API key, copy and paste it in it, and so that you'll be getting the access. And since because I have one already, I'll be choosing that. And operation mode, insert documents. In case if you don't know what Pinecone index is, I'll show you how to create it. You have to go to database. Now I already have index here, but let's create a new one. Create index, and the name would be budget. And with the configuration, let's choose text embedding small because it's small PDF to analyze. And create index. Yeah, we create. Still initializing. Yeah, the index is online. Let's go back account and find code index. We'll be choosing budget. And with the options, we have namespaces for organization. Let's say it's budget 2025 with this particular file. 2025. We have to add the embedding now. Let's go with OpenAI embedding. And since because I have an account with OpenAI before, I don't have to do this again. In case if you don't know how to do it, you just have to go to OpenAI account and you have to get the API key to be pasted on your NITN to get the access. Since because I have one before, I'll be adding this. And the model is yeah embedding pretty small. This is what we given the index, and let it be like this. Let's add a document at default data loader. We have to add binary because the data that we uploaded from the drive is also binary. I'll show you how. Yeah, you can see here it's binary. So we have to read the binary document. So we have to set it up with binary. Now we go to add the text splitter. We have to choose a recursive character text splitter. So this is a chunk size is 1,000. So chunk size is nothing but the amount of characters that they is analyzing at a single point of time. And let it be 1,000. It's a small PDF. It's fine. Let's test the workflow. I think that's done. Yeah. Now we have to go to Pinecone console and see whether the namespace is added. With budget, no, it's not yet added. Let's refresh it once. Yeah, it's added. As you can see, namespace, the project is added. Now we just have to go back on it and let's say go to create a new workflow. Now what we did is we pushed the data over there, and Pinecone has also retrieved the data and analyzed it. Now we want to have a question and answer session with that. So at step we got to go to chat message because yeah we're gonna have a question and answer a conversation with the PDF file. Now we have to add an agent which will be helping us to have the conversation. Yeah, the tool agent connect chat Regamo, let it be as it is. Now we'll be adding chat model view with OpenAI. Yeah, it's the same credential, it's added, and GPT-4 mini is what I'm using now. It's enough. Small data and with memory, we have to choose window buffer memory, and the context window length is 5. It's enough. So context window length is nothing. The AI would be having the memory of the chat for 5 numbers, so they will be having a good context while chatting with you. Now the tool is Pinecone vector store. That's where we uploaded the data. Credentials, we already got the credentials. And with the operation mode, it has to retrieve the documents. Yeah. And with the name, we can give it budget, the description. You have to answer the user once they ask the question. Yeah. Pinecone index. It's choose budget. That's where it is. And with the namespace, we have to be very clear because we gave the name as budget 2025. Yeah. We have to add an embedding. We'll be adding OpenAI embeddings. Count text embedding 3 small. This is what we gave it an index. It'll be like this. Now we have to do a really important step. We have to add the option and click on the system message. This is where we're going to prompt and say what the AI agent is going to do. And with prompting, it's really simple. You have to go to ChatGPT. I already made a prompt by asking the question. I did a workflow for reading Indian budget 2025. Give me a prompt. I'm using Pinecone to analyze the data. So we just have to copy and paste the prompt and let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's successfully added. Let's say open chat. What's the budget for agri? So you can see here the Indian budget 2025 emphasizes agriculture as a critical sector. The Prime Minister downgrade. Yeah, let's open chat. I did a couple of conversations to check. And let's say what's the budget for AI? You can see it's going to embeddings, go to Pinecone at the store. Hmm. So I can see here in the Indian budget 2025, several significant allocations and initiatives focus on AI. Now there's a center of excellence in AI for education. Yeah, you can see here India is focusing on center of excellence in AI education and expansion for AI initiatives and investment in research and development of almost 20,000 crores for private sector driven research, development and innovation initiatives. It's really good for agencies like us. And you can guys, it's really simple for you to retrieve any kind of data from documents. It might be your business documents, it might be your own knowledge base of what you have to analyze, and it's really helpful for lawyers and people who are working with large data and large paperwork. And yeah, this is how it's done, guys. If you found this video useful, you can just drop onto a like down, and I will see you guys in the next video.